Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. My name is Amarpreet. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most charming actors of Indian cinema, Dulquer Salmaan. Dulquer Salmaan has mostly worked in Malayalam films, but he has also worked in some Telugu, Tamil and Hindi language films. He's the son of superstar Mammootty and he started his career with films like Second Show and Ustad Hotel in 2012, and since then he's been doing really great and has been rated one of the top actors of Malayalam cinema. So here's my list of top 5 films of Dulquer Salmaan that you must watch. So let's roll it. Number 5. Kannum Kannum Kolayadittal. Now I'm a Punjabi, so please don't laugh on my pronunciation. This is a Tamil language movie available on Netflix. It's a story about two youngsters who live in Chennai. In the beginning, it's shown that these guys are freelance techies and always have a lot of money and they just keep partying with a lot of girls. Now Dulquer, who's playing the role of Siddharth in the film, falls for a girl named Meera, who's a door-to-door beautician, and his roommate Kalis falls for a friend Shreya. Now Meera reveals she's an orphan and Shreya ran away from her home some years back. Now as the story moves forward, we find out that Siddharth and Kalis are actually con artists who do online shopping scams, but they fall in love with both these girls, Meera and Shreya. Due to some incidents and for the safety of these girls, they decide to go to Goa, open a restaurant with the money that they have and start a new life. Seems like a happy ending, but wait, the story has just started. A big surprise for them is waiting in Goa and these girls turn out to be bigger con artists than them. So the story just keeps getting better from here, so I recommend you watch it by yourself on Netflix. Now the good part about the movie is the acting performances, the detailing in writing, the suspense, the twists and turns and the surprises that keep you hooked till the end of the movie. In an interview, Dulquer also hinted towards a sequel of the film. We don't know when that will be out, but till the time, if you haven't watched this film, go ahead and watch this on Netflix. This is an enjoyable watch. Number 4 is his 2015 film Charlie, which received a lot of awards and many will argue that this is his best film till date, but according to me, he has acted much better in some other films. This film was directed by Martin Prakat and also has actors like Shobin Shahir and Parvati. Parvati, who plays the role of Tessa in this film, keeps running away from home to avoid her marriage. Now with the help of her friend, she is able to rent a room, but the room is very weird, very messy, and she hates the room in the beginning. The room was previously occupied by a guy named Charlie who calls Tessa and asks her, hey, either you throw the things or keep them with you. I don't care. Irritated and agitated, Tessa starts to clean the room and finds a sketchbook. The sketchbook depicts a story of last year's New Year's Eve when a thief played by actor Shobin Shahir tries to rob Charlie by entering his room, but Charlie in a turn of event decides to join the thief and become his partner for the night. Now they both take off and go to a rooftop of a house where they are shocked to see what's inside. This was the last page of the sketchbook and the story is left unfinished. This generates a lot of curiosity in Tessa and now she wants to find out the story and the man. Now the character of Dulquer in this film is actually quite lovable because he's very affectionate, makes others smile, always helps others and is carefree about his life, which at some point or the other we all want to be. The film has very strong acting performances by Parvati and Dulquer Salmaan and excellent cinematography by Jomon John. The movie won 33 awards in total and is considered one of the best works of Dulquer. This is available on Jio Cinema with English subtitles. You will definitely enjoy the film and thank me later. Moving on to number 3 is his film Kamatti Padam. This movie won many awards and Anurag Kashyap stated that this is one of the best gangster films ever made in India. Dulquer Salmaan, who plays the role of Krishnan in this film, works in a security firm in Mumbai and receives a call from his childhood friend Ganga stating that his life is in danger. After hearing this, Krishnan sets on a journey to Kerala to find his childhood friend and to save his life. On his way back, he recalls how his life was in Kamatti Padam, how he and his 4 friends were a part of a gang and they worked for a businessman named Surendran and their job was to threaten local people to leave their houses at low prices. Now the story is inspired from real life incidents which happened in a slum named Kamatti Padam in Kochi, where the Dalit community was forced to leave their lands by real estate mafia so that the urbanization of Kochi city can take place. The emotion, the action and the thrill of the film is as real as it can get. Though the movie is 3 hours long, but the screenplay is such that it keeps you engaged from the beginning till the climax. Direction, cinematography, other technical aspects are absolutely brilliant. Talking about acting, Shine Tom definitely shines. Vinayakan is the star of the film and Dulquer Salmaan, this is one of his best performances till date. So do not miss this amazing film. It's available on Hotstar with English subtitles. Go ahead, watch it and you will love the film. Moving on to number 2, which is his 2014 film Bangalore Days and is one of the highest grossing Malayalam films of all time. The film has one of the best names in Malayalam cinema industry: Nazriya Nazim, Niveen Pauly, Dulquer Salmaan, Fahad Fazil, Isha Talwar, Nitya Menon and Parvati Thiruvothu. The story is about 3 cousins who move from Kerala to Bangalore. Dulquer is a bike racer. He lives his life in his own terms. Niveen is a software engineer and Nazria is married to Fahad Fazil.
Nazria is struggling with a marriage as Fahad Fazil is a workaholic. Niveen wants to marry a traditional girl but falls for an air hostess. And Dulquer Salmaan, who has been banned from racing for a year, falls for an RJ played by Parvati. Story basically revolves around the relationship of these three cousins, the bond they share between them, and the ups and downs in their personal lives. The film excels on all the aspects like direction, cinematography, acting performances, background score. It's a young and vibrant film, plus it has a lot of humor, some drama,
and some real moments where the youngsters face harsh reality of life. Watch this on Hotstar in Malayalam language with English subtitles. Moving on to the best film of Dulquer Salmaan according to me, which is his second film Ustad Hotel, which released in 2012. The only son to his father, Dulquer wants to be a chef in the film, but his father considers being a chef as a demeaning profession. And when his father learns that he wants to go to UK and be a chef at a restaurant there, he gets very angry and snatches his credit cards, his passport. Dulquer somehow manages to escape to Kerala and joins his grandfather who runs a restaurant named Ustad Hotel. The rest of the story focuses on the relationship between the grandfather and grandson, how he manages to save the restaurant from many debts, and from a 5-star hotel owner who is determined to close down this restaurant. Now the movie does not have a lot of twists and turns. It's a simple story, a very warm story, an engaging screenplay that keeps you hooked till the end, and a very young Dulquer Salmaan. This was just his second film, and the maturity in acting he showed in this film is the reason why he's one of the top actors in Malayalam cinema industry, and I'm very sure he has a long way to go. He has a huge fan following, and we are all waiting for his next films, Kurup and Salute. So these were my top 5 must-watch films of Dulquer Salmaan. You let me know in the comment section which are your top 5, and please do not forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.